Hey, what's up guys, this is Piyush, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can scan a particular file to look for a malware without installing any kind of antivirus software or any kind of third-party tool. So let's get started. Now, getting protected from malware is very important nowadays for our computer to stay secure from hackers. So that's why we end up purchasing a good antivirus software, because we need to stay secure in this online world. But what if I told you that your antivirus may also fail sometimes in detecting a malware signature, or you could say a unique or new virus signature? Now, for instance, I have this file that I've downloaded from a third party site, and I'm unsure and feeling insecure to open this file because it might contain some dangerous virus. Now, most people will scan through antivirus software like Quick Heal, Windows Defender, and other low grade antivirus. But the thing is, the chances of getting the malware detected from a reputed antivirus are low. Some of the factors that might be are like the virus database may not be updated. Like this also happens sometimes to me, that may forgot to update the virus database, as the antivirus and its database always needed to be updated. The second factor might be like the antivirus may be turned off, because some software that you're trying to install might ask to turn off the antivirus to install that program. The third factor I think is that the malware signature is may not in the virus database, because you never know what type of malware invented these days. Other factors are also there, like you may have turned off the real-time protection, or you may have disabled the antivirus because it may be eating too much of RAM. So this all could be a serious problem where the virus may attack our system. But here's one solution where you could be able to scan any file for the virus without installing any software. So here's one amazing website called virustotal.com, and guys, trust me, this is a really amazing tool. So what happens is that it inspects items with over 70 and different antivirus scanners, where it scans the files and search for the malware signature from 70 different antivirus databases. How cool is that? Now let me show you how it works. So for the testing purpose, I have downloaded this file, and I want that this file doesn't hurt the system by infecting it. So first of all, I will scan it through my existing installed antivirus. So currently I have Malwarebytes installed in my computer, and it is actually good. But sometimes its virus database doesn't detect some malware. So now it has scanned this file and it shows this file is clean. Now let's scan through the virus total. Now for that, I just need to upload this file to this website, and it will just start scanning through the 70 different scanners. Now the scan has been completed and the result is in front of you. And as you can see that this file is being detected by more than 48 scanners databases, and it also shows the virus signature name where you can check the virus type. And guys, this software is absolutely free, so you can scan as much files as you can. So in this way you can check any specific files for the malwares and viruses. But if you're having a large files like in thousands of MBs, so for that you need to upload it to scan through the virus total, as it is a cloud based software where the file needed to be uploaded. So like in this way you can scan any file you have downloaded from the websites and make the computer more secure from the malwares. Now I hope you like this cool trick, and let me know if you have any question regarding this video. Also share with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel to get more awesome content like this. Now I will see you in the next one.